Hello and welcome to CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this vehicle here. It's a Vansation, yeah, that sounds right. New Wave, or Van Wave I should say, 640 meg motorhome. This thing here is going to cost, there you go, 96,500. And it is 7 meters, 699 by 220, standing height inside 205. Now you notice that funny thing in the roof, that bump up there, that's because there's a bed hidden in it. It's quite well hidden, but I'm now going to have a look at how well hidden is it. Well, it's hidden well enough that I can actually stand up. Now there's me fully stood up, so I'm 1.75 meters. If you're taller than me, then it's going to be a problem, but if you're not, if you're my height or less, then it's going to be okay. You see, there's a bit of space above me. The back, we've got this German layout here, daft ledge up there, completely pointless. You've got 3 lockers at the back, you've got a window at either side with this spotted curtain thing. I quite like that. It's a matter of opinion, others may not. Here it might look a mess. Well, you know, people are using it, and people say to me, tidy the thing up before you come in. Well, if I do go on tidying vans up, then I'll be tidying vans up and not filming. That is what the bed, its maximum extent, looks like. Obviously there is a plate to put in there, and not just filling it in like that. In here we'll find a wardrobe without a light, and in here we'll find another wardrobe also without a light. Daft really, having things like that, but let's have a look here. There's a ladder to get up with. There's the curtain coming across automatically, and put this to one side. I'll show you the mattress if I can. Mattress is in 2 parts like this, which is handy because there's the plate that you put, the plate which will go in here. We'll put that to one side for the moment. No, we can't. We'll pull it out like this, and pulling it out like this. And up here we've got this. So from that point of view, the fact that it hasn't got a light doesn't make that much difference. That is a very handy feature for getting your clothes in and out. I know it's going to be even worse a mess when you've actually got your bedclothes on it, but if you did separate sheets for each piece, that's what I think the answer is. I mean, I might be wrong because I don't really know. I've only been in the motorhome for 14 years. I haven't had the chance to find out yet, but anyway, that's how I think it's supposed to work. Anyway, right, nice shower with a sensible sliding door. False wall comes in and out. There you go, false wall. There's the bench seat. There is place for storage. There is 2 drainage points. Unfortunately, the small ones, anti-slip surface. I think they could put large ones in. Sensible sliding door. Good idea, saves space. Here we've got a fridge. Did I show the fridge? I can't remember. See, I do all these videos in one go, and then I sort of forget what I show. And some people then says, well, I didn't see the fridge. Oh, you didn't know. Right, well, okay. Nice kitchen block. What we can do with the kitchen block is we can open it here, and a lot of space. Now listen to this. Soft close. Closed. 2 burners. If that's not enough, you need a different van. Sink. Storage above. Now here's the bed, which I mentioned earlier, but the bed works in this point because it's over the part where this is recessed down here. At this price level, I would absolutely expect a flat floor, a flat double floor. I think the days are gone when people should have to put up with a a floor with steps in it. Nice table. Now here we're going to have a problem. Look, step up here, step, and bang! Hit my head on the wall. That's what it looks like from here. Okay, behind me we've got the VW, as you can see, and okay, well that's quite normal, isn't it? What's nice is I like a nice big skylight up here. Air comes through. Also, incidentally, if you're sleeping in this and you've got the skylight open, that's also could be quite pleasant. You don't have to worry about well, you do have to worry about insects because they get in anyway, but that'll keep some of them out. Over there we've got extension to the kitchen, television. Let's have a walk outside. Now, we've got this daft chair here, which is put there, I think, to have a point of to fill the space, and you can just put something under it. I think it's daft. Let's have a look outside. Right, nice big garage. Fuses over there. I think the fuses should be inside. You know, when your fuses go and it's pouring with rain outside, of course if they actually tried using them, they would know it can pour with rain outside. And here, I'll show the fuses a better angle in here. Door on either side, good point. There you go, that's where the fuses are. I mean, in my case, this thing here trips every time I connect it to the hookup. I still haven't found out why. Maybe I ought to investigate that one instead of complaining about it. Service cassette. There is your service kit. Toilet cassette. Service boxes here. This is a very clever thing when it opens. There's your water. You fit there so you can thread your hookup cable through there. You've got your Truma frost valve. Everything in one place. Easy to see. No excuse for forgetting to do something before the winter, in my opinion. So there you go. Van Wave 640 MEG Vansation motorhome on a VW base from Knaus at a cost of nearly six figures. Nearly, not quite. I'm just going to come back to this technical details here because I do want to show you one thing. If it works, where is this ready to go 3076, giving a theoretical payload of 424 kilos. It needs to be pointed out that Knaus, amongst other legal problems it has a problem with giving the wrong payload, and this can be quite serious, particularly in vehicles like this. I don't know if that's correct or it isn't correct, but if you think it's out by 5% and you've got 4 people in there, as it's designed to carry 4 people, then you could well end up having problems. Good. I'm not saying you will, but you could. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Bye for now.